Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I got some new news that I think you guys really like, and it might help going forward with cars that are manufactured. There's a push to eliminate a feature that almost every single car has now, and nobody really likes it. And so this is the first step in getting this banned. So let me share exactly what I'm talking about here. So I'm sure you guys all know about this auto stop start feature. Almost every single car has it. Most of them have a button where you have to disable it, but I think all of them have it where it automatically turns on when you start the car. So even if you turn it off during the drive, when you turn the car off and turn it back on, it automatically re-engages. And if you're like me, you hate the feature. Every time I accidentally forget to push the button or turn the temperature up in my car where it actually engages, it always turns off, and then when it turns on, it feels like it's really harsh on the car, especially if you have to give it gas right away if you're on a hill or something at a stoplight. It just seems really rough on the engine. So I always turn it off or make sure I have the temperature all the way low or all the way high, and that way it doesn't engage. But now the EPA is proposing a rollback for the federal incentives that companies get. So this is a big reason why manufacturers even put this in the vehicles now. So if companies use this feature, they get an incentive for doing so, for helping reduce the emissions that the car produces. So even though it looks like it's a great thing, the car companies are doing it because they get kickbacks for including this feature in your vehicle. Now people worry about the increased wear and tear on the vehicle for the frequent, stops and starts, which I agree with. And car companies are saying that they're designed for the more frequent start and stops, which I don't agree with, because eventually it is going to wear that part out quicker no matter what part we're talking about. So this proposal would not ban the start-stop system altogether, but they would eliminate the incentives the automakers get for using them, which could in turn lead them to stop making them altogether. So this is just the first step, and now it goes to boards that review it to see what the next step would be. But at least somebody's fighting for us as far as not wanting this in vehicles and stating that it really doesn't do anything substantial. And there's been many tests about this, and the fuel savings over the life of the vehicle is very minute. So we can see that there's something bigger at play here where car companies are getting money back for using this. So it'll be interesting to see what the next step is. I'll keep you guys informed when I hear any new news on this. But at least it's a step in the right direction. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, if you hate it as much as I do. I know it's a simple button to push, but I swear every time you forget to push it and all of a sudden the car just stops, then it's frustrating when it turns back up. It just feels rough and it's wearing more parts. So again, let me know what you guys' thoughts on this are, but at least it's going in the right direction. Maybe eventually it'll be eliminated on new vehicles. So hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate all the feedback as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.